Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. As you all know, we really try to utilize time, make use of it efficiently, and so on and so forth. That's why we were called, because I just received an information of an assumption that the plan that we have made to consult and come out with a drainage master plan in July 2021. Mayor Paco, ayari na. I'm happy to see it now because I just spoke with our three partners with regard to infrastructures being introduced to the city. Nakakuha namin I think they may mga corner.
Yes, sir. From
do you understand?
from Korea, sir.
Try to speak Tagalog and English. But ahead of this meeting, about 2 days ago, I already spoke with the regional director, the south of Manila, and the north of Manila director, sa ating partners sa DPWs. They're very excited that Manila is the only city na mayroon ng drainage master plan. They're very excited. Kasi sabi ko, isa po kayo ng bukay kung saan gumawa ng drainage na hindi naman nag-uusap, hindi naman nagpapangita. At least meron na tayo yung idea. And they're very excited. We have MMDA here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in MMDA, they introduce also infrastructure projects in the city, in their own level, as Metro Manila Development Authority. Manila also, as a local government, ganun din. Nag-i-introduce din kami ng infrastructure project. What we're doing nowadays is to put up band-aid solution or temporary solution by clogging our drain so that we can create more capacity. But time will catch up. The changing weather, the volume of liquid, water, very limited. Manila kasi tagasalo ng tubig ng buong Metro Manila, all the way from Rizal. Sa amin kasi talaga napapagsak. So sabi ko, bilisan natin. I'm excited for your presentation. So I will inform the population of Manila na while it will take time, at least meron ng plan. So that the next generation will not suffer the way we are suffering right now. Kahapon, kumikilang ang langit, baka na naman sa tatagin. Akala, marami kaming mga challenge. Thank you to our private partners. Very excited for your presentation. I just would like to open a statement that the City of Manila, on behalf of the people of Manila, we are grateful you being our partner. Okay? So welcome to the city government. This is now your city government. The one that you're facing is the national government and the city government working hand in hand. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Now we start with the presentation or pakilala mo
Yes,
na sila. Sige.
Mayor, good morning po. Good morning to everybody. Mayor, I'd like to introduce our participants for this morning meeting. We'd like to acknowledge from Woodfields, Dr. Reynaldo Medina, Chairman Emeritus, and Engineer Arnel Binacion, President and CEO of Woodfields. And then from Kyongho Engineering and Architects, headed by the President, Mr. Jia Hunkyu. Ito yung nakamuha sa inyo, Mayor. And I would like also to acknowledge our partner agencies of the government. We have from South Manila, D.E. Manny Bulusan and his team. D.E. Dennis Sandoval from the North and his team. We have from DPW.
Yung regional director natin.
NCR Regional Director, General Opulencia. And from DPWH Major Flood Control, Engineer Eng Sokro. We have our partner from Maynila, Sir Zinel Gavilio and his team. We have from MMDA headed by Sir Alex Muhammad. from the local government, sa City Planning Development Officer Mark De Leon, from MDRMO Sir Angeles, and our city engineer, Engineer Malandres, and our Chief of Staff, Sir Cesar Chavez.
Sesa.
We also invited Sir Maria Water, lang po namin. Sir, ang magpapresent po,
Importante kasi nakasama ang Manila Water at saka Manila. Umuhukay din ang lupa namin yan. At gumagawa rin sila ng sewage. At least, makikita na. Meron kasi kami mga incident. But, well, it's water under the bridge. It's there already. Wherein nakikidot-dot sa amin yung contractor nila para makatipid. Kasi hindi naman nakikita yung ilalim ng lupa pag natabunan na So ngayon, I think their attention are called already. Kapag gumawa sila ng tubo nila. Hindi yung sumasabay pa doon sa amin. Tinutusok ba? Pero ilang metro na lang, tinitip pa yung tubo. Pwede naman doon sa drainage system direction. But they know it already. So baka lang nagugulat kayo o baka, I don't know if you're familiar that the private sector should be involved in the general planning. At kung nagkahapon, natutuwa kami, PLDT, cable companies, internet companies, headed by Meralco, nag-clean up na ng mga unnecessary, dead, underutilized, and unutilized wires in the city. So, small steps, baby steps. But, gusto ko lang, for the record of this meeting, that's why they should be part of this, so that they will now know na meron ng general plan. Kaya pag magagawin sila, hihingi na lang sila ng kopya ng linya. And I'll tell you one incident. Because in the absence of the master plan, nung ginawa yung palengke ng Pritil, yung contractor na gumawa, nagdut-dut yung linya ng water. Sumabog. Kapamahan.
Ito naman ang bako.
Nobody knows it na meron pala kaming linya ng tubig doon. The contractor was not guided by the city. Nobody to blame but the city government. If we know it, then the contractor will be involved. Hindi sana nawala ng tubig yung mga taga-Tondo, taga-District 2, up to Santa Cruz, inabot pa yata. Na nawala ng tubig ng lang. So these are the things, that's why the private sector should be involved in the planning. Parang kahit pa paano. In sync tayo. So anyway, sino pang